Hi, my name is BK Namdar, MIDM, and the wing is HR. HR training, it is a backbone of HR department. We should have a thorough knowledge which is related to HR topics. Leave management, this is one of them. This is a mandatory, this is a compulsory. Old concept was connected with time office. Nowadays, new concept is related to attendance system, batch readers, hardware, software, ESS, HR app, and so on. On roll concept is very important in leave management because it is proving that legally you are on our company's muster roll. So this leave management required certain rules, regulations, scope, coverage, limitations, everything. So that it is a mandatory to maintain the record. The main intention behind that, we should not take more than 8 hours anybody's service because 8 hours is your duty hours, 8 hours is your personal life, and 8 hours it is for your physical rest. So this is related to 24 hours around the clock daytime, day and night. Okay, leave management, that means it is incorporated basic concept: monthly days, working days, physical working days, paid holidays, management paid leaves, over on duty, then overtime, compensatory off. But there is a one concept, that is leave without pay and absenteeism. Absenteeism is a red absenteeism, it is a wrong impression. Leave without pay means with permission absenteeism. In addition to that, this concept is connected with leave travel allowance. Leave travel allowance, it is a scheme, but in every organization we are availing LTA. LTA is a psychological relief, financial relief. Whenever we are completing more than 3 years, 4 years, we become fed up with that routine work. So we want something relief psychologically. So LTA, it is connected with that leave management system. The basic requirement is that you have to avail at least 7 days leave in a year. Go along with all your family members somewhere and take a LTA amount and utilize it for your leave travel allowance, that travel purpose, and come back with fresh mind and start your duty with new enthusiastic psychological position. Okay, so the leave management, it is start with time office. It is a connected with induction to exit, that is full and final settlement, leave encashment, LTA, then record keeping, then your musters, everything is coming under that. So it is our necessary that type of knowledge we have to have, so that it is directly connected with payroll system. So whenever we are working in HR, we should have a basic minimum knowledge, actually maximum knowledge, which is related to leave management, because it is a mandatory concept, and factory inspector, shop inspector, they are checking that record whether we are performing according to labor laws or not. Thank you.